Today, we are preparing 200 liters of Jeevamrut, a traditional organic liquid fertilizer made using natural ingredients. Jeevamrut is commonly used in natural farming to support soil fertility and encourage beneficial microbial activity in the soil. For this preparation, we are using a 200-liter tank, fresh desi cow dung, cow urine, jaggery, pearls flour, local soil, clean water, a wooden stick, and a gunny bag. These simple ingredients can be easily arranged for preparing Jeevamrut at home or on the farm. First, we add some water to the tank. Now, we add 2 kilograms of jaggery. Jaggery acts as an energy source for beneficial microorganisms and helps support microbial activity during the fermentation process. Next, we add 2 kilograms of pearls flour, such as gram flour. This provides additional nutrients that help beneficial microorganisms multiply during the preparation of Jeevamrut. Now, we add 10 liters of cow urine. Cow urine is one of the traditional ingredients used in Jeevamrut and contributes nutrients and organic compounds to the mixture. Next, we add 10 kilograms of fresh desi cow dung. Fresh cow dung contains naturally occurring microorganisms that are important for the preparation of this organic liquid fertilizer. Now, all the main ingredients are added. We mix the ingredients thoroughly using a clean stick so that the jaggery, flour, cow urine, and cow dung begin to combine evenly with the water. Next, we add a handful of local soil collected from the farm. Farm soil can contain naturally occurring microorganisms, which become part of the fermentation process. Now, we add the remaining water to the tank. However, we do not fill the container completely. Some space is left below the top, so that the mixture has enough room during the fermentation process. Now, we mix the entire solution thoroughly one more time. Proper mixing helps distribute all the ingredients evenly throughout the 200-liter Jeevamrut mixture. Finally, we cover the top of the container with a gunny bag. The gunny bag helps protect the mixture from dust, debris, and insects while still allowing air circulation during fermentation. The Jeevamrut is now ready for the fermentation process. During fermentation, microbial activity develops in the mixture. The preparation should be kept in a suitable place and mixed regularly according to the farming practice being followed. This is a simple method of preparing 200 liters of Jeevamrut using natural ingredients. Jeevamrut is widely used in natural and organic farming as a liquid soil input to support soil health and beneficial microbial activity. Always use clean tools and containers and follow the recommended application method for your specific crop and farming system.